Nestled on one half-level lots, this charming 3-bedroom comes complete with attached carport and detached 2-car garage/workshop. This sweet home has been taken care of with love and pride of ownership. From the moment you drive up, you just feel like you are at home with the landscaped mailbox out front and the inviting walk to the front door. Inside, find a spacious living area with plenty of cabinets in the kitchen and countertops for the chef of the family. Split floor plan allows for 2 bedrooms and a bath on one side, and the primary bedroom with walk-in closet and primary bath with walk-in shower that also steps out to the laundry area. Imagine drinking your morning coffee or evening tea on the deck in the backyard as you look out to your fruit trees and raised garden area. This home has lots of charm and is just waiting for you to call it home. Be the envy of all the neighbors with your very own Loblolly Pine tree in the backyard. Not to mention 2 peach trees and a pear tree.